I'm Aiden from InPlay, and I am at Convergence India 2024, and I'm going to be showing off one of our partners that we have here at our booth. So this is Energous, and they have worked with us to enable this RF energy harvesting solution for BLE. So this is their RF transmitter, and this is transmitting out to these two tags right here, and they're receiving the RF power. And that power is on our BLE beacon, which reads the sensor data inside and transmits it out. So this has a charging range of 5 meters, and this allows us to enable a battery-free, maintenance-free RF energy harvesting solution for BLE. And so this could be used for various applications such as tracking, but not just that, also sensor reporting data. So this comes with an app that I have here, which shows the two different tags I have. So those are the ones being powered up that you see right behind me. And if I click on one, I can see the temperature and humidity data that's being reported. So 60 degrees Celsius and a humidity of 56%. If I go back, I can likewise see that on the other one. You can see very consistent results. And all of this is enabled by the IN100, which is our code-free Bluetooth BLE beacon. So this is a code-free device, which makes it very simple, but it also creates the advantage of it requires no CPU startup. So this is why we're able to work with this RF energy harvesting. We have this very fast startup and very low power, so we're able to go and work with this minimal RF energy. As soon as we wake up, we read that sensor data, then we beaconing it out. So this is perfect for these battery-free, maintenance-free solutions. Thank you.